ये सिचुएशन के लिए आ रहा है रेलवे रिसीव करने के लिए, ये हम वो
Sir, after 75 days, why the accused was not arrested is the question being raised.
पकड़ लिया, सब कुछ
सबको पकड़ लिया है. सर, अपोजिशन सवाल उठा रहा है इस्तीफे पर, इस पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सर, do you think that authorities are incompetent? How would you respond to it, sir? Do you think that strict action should be taken, sir? Sir, do you think that strict action should be taken again? Do you think what are the loopholes if the actions are not being taken? आपको क्या लग रहा है सर, क्यों इतना विलम्ब हो रहा है?
मैडम
अपोजिशन, हाँ सर. बीरेन जी, विपक्ष बार बार आपके इस्तीफे की मांग कर रहे हैं, इस पे आप क्या जवाब देना चाहेंगे?
बस
सर 75 दिन क्यों लगे? आरोपी 5 आरोपी को अरेस्ट करने में 75 दिन क्यों लगे? फिर हम हमारा काम कर रहे हैं, प्लीज वेट. सर पूरा देश जो है वो जवाब जानना चाहता है, इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बीरेन जी आगे आइए. So this is Chief Minister of Manipur, Mr. Biren Singh. We will try to ask a few questions to him again. So how would you respond to the opposition raising again and again questions? Let him speak. He's speaking. Please let him respond. The nation wants to listen to him too. The nation wants to listen to him. Please let him respond, sir. He's speaking. Manipur is burning, sir. Why the situation is not changing? How would you respond to it, sir? What is the reason, sir? Center has deployed its forces. State has also deployed its forces, but still, why no action has been taken, Biren sir?
मैडम प्लीज.
Chief Minister, sir, how would you respond to it? People of Manipur, not only people of Manipur, but people of India wants to listen. People of India wants to listen to you. So this was the Chief Minister of Manipur. We had tried to ask several questions to him, starting from why is he not responding to what is happening, despite the fact that Manipur is still burning. Let us ask that why the authorities are saying that everything is normal. Sir, do you think normalcy has returned in the state of Manipur? Do you think that Manipur is returning into normalcy? If yes, then why there are what he is saying something? Let him say something. He is saying something. So do you think that it is returning to the normalcy? If yes, then why there were incidents of burning? Please don't touch our equipment, sir. We are doing our duty. It is our job. The entire nation is mourning. Avroop is showing you the visuals. देखिए पूरा देश आज गमगीन है. मणिपुर में जितनी भी घटनाएं हादसे हो रहे हैं, उसको लेकर सिर्फ मणिपुर ही नहीं बल्कि पूरा देश आज सवाल उठा रहा है. और इसलिए आज हम भी अपना दायित्व लेकर, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेकर यहाँ पहुंचे हैं to ask the question to the Chief Minister that when is he going to tender his resignation, that why the state of Manipur is burning, why the authorities are incompetent, why the state and center, despite being deploying their forces, are not able to work at all. So